You know, I'm not gonna lie, I've had my fair share of terrible business ideas, but to be fair, a lot of terrible ideas end up making a lot of money. For example, in 1975, pet rocks used to be a big thing. You would think, who would want to buy a pet rock? But a pet rock company made $15 million in 6 months selling literally a pet rock. And in today's video, I'm going to be roasting a Shopify store that's doing around $300K a month. That is just horrible. So we're gonna break it down together, see how they're able to make so much money. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you give this video a quick like, join the algorithm gang. I'm just kidding, but I would really appreciate it. And yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's hop right into this store. As you can see, the store is called Die Baby. It's not your traditional store, that's for sure. Now, unlike most of the cool brands that I usually review, I found this store on SalesSource, which is a software that's quite honestly not really that useful, but it does help with finding relatively successful dropshipping stores. And on SalesSource, they estimate this store to be having about 300,000 monthly visitors. So 300,000 people come through this store and willingly choose to shop here. Maybe not willingly, but man, this is literally just taken straight out of a 2016 dropshipping course. Like, you got the countdown timer, you got the fake customers viewing this product thing here, your classic badges from 2013 probably. They even have this text here showing how to pay by credit card, no need to PayPal account, not even typed correctly. And the description looks like it's straight out of AliExpress. So you may be wondering, how is this company possibly making any money? Honestly, I wonder that myself. But what I found is that the main social media channel for this company is Pinterest. So what my best guess is that their demographic is mainly older women that just really vibe with these sorts of products and are very prone to impulse buying. Now, the thing about this store is that they do have over 2,000 products in their store. So it seems like they're trying to compete with Amazon over here. Drop a like if you think diebaby.com is going to be the next Amazon. But on a serious note, while this store is incredibly ugly in my opinion and just terribly branded, they're getting results. So like, you know, you got to give respect where it's due. And I do think there's a lot to learn from just the fact that they're getting so many visitors. And surprisingly, it's mainly through Pinterest. So again, what I think is going on here is that they're running Pinterest ads, first of all. And that may be really effective because Pinterest pins apparently also work as backlinks for your store, which really helps your SEO score. SEO being search engine optimization. So it probably helps them reach more people organically. And since they have so many products and they're constantly adding more, and seems like they have some sort of Pinterest integration with their Shopify store that just automatically imports their new products to their Pinterest shop. So this is kind of cool because in yesterday's video we talked about Facebook ad changes and stuff like that and how we could potentially solve the issues that people are facing. And I think this is actually a great way. If your store fits this sort of demographic, make a Pinterest shop and start posting all of your different products on there. At the very least, it will help your store build up some backlinks. I've actually been recently doing this for both of my brands, and even though I haven't seen any significant difference, I'm sure the compounding effect will take place here eventually, especially if I start running ads. And by the way, if you don't know what the compounding effect is, make sure you watch this video right here. It's from about a week ago, and quite honestly, it's one of my favorite videos I've made, even though it's super simple. So check that out. So I will be testing that out after this because again, I find this very impressive. I mean, this store is just ridiculous. Like, it literally seems like they're just importing products directly from AliExpress, not changing any of the prices or anything. It's almost like an automated store and nobody's really running it. It's just like a bot that's running it. That's what it seems like to me. And again, even though it's super ugly and I would never care to own something like this because it's just not my vibe, I really like branding and building a community. You got to give respect where it's due. The results do speak for themselves, and until one of my brands is doing about $1 million a month, I can't really hate on this too much. But yeah, that's all I got today. This store just kind of gave me a laugh and I thought I'd share it with you guys. And maybe this is motivation to just keep going. Like, if I ran across this, I would never in a million years think that it's successful. And I'm sure even the people running it were probably like, you know what, maybe we should just drop this. But they didn't. And now they're reaping the rewards. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're trying to learn every day with me. And that's it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.